For Science and Art class today, we are reading part 2 of the musical instruments series. And in today's class, we are learning about the piano. Let's go! Watch her hands move quickly back and forth. She presses down on the keys. Plink, plink, plunk, plunk. She is playing the piano. A piano is a keyboard instrument. It has 88 keys. Some are black and some are white. The piano is also a string instrument. When a key is pressed, a hammer hits a string inside the piano. The string vibrates and the vibration makes a sound. A piano is played with both hands. Fingers move up and down the keyboard to press the keys. Two parts of a song are played at once, one part with each hand. Each key makes a different sound. The left keys sounds low and the right keys sound high. A player touches a key softly to make a soft sound. A player pushes harder for a loud sound. Piano players use their feet too. They pump the pedals underneath the piano. Pedals change the piano's sounds. The first piano was made about 300 years ago in Italy. Now, pianos are played all over the world. Many schools and homes have pianos, and many children take piano lessons. They practice pressing the keys. Some pianos are very large, some are smaller. The piano makes many kinds of music. Two kinds of music are classical and jazz. Now let's go through 4 new words that we learned in today's book. The first word is classical, which is a type of music that includes opera and chamber music. Classical music can be played on the piano. Jazz is a type of music that is lively and rhythmic. Jazz music can also be played on the piano too. Keyboard is an instrument that all the keys of a piano are placed on. A keyboard has black and white keys. And finally, keys are the black and white bars on a piano. A player presses the keys to make sounds. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the piano? Let me know down below. And also, share with me some interesting experiences that you've had with musical instruments. Take some time to think about it, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson for some more learning fun. That's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.